glue. Oh, hello there. Sorry, I was just drinking a glass of water. We shall start our lesson about water as soon as I finish drinking. Now, Turbo Girl, do you know why we need to drink water?
My mummy told me that I will get dehydrated if I do not drink enough water.
You're right. And do you know how much water you need to drink every day?
Well, I think it is 8 glasses of water a day.
Yes, you're right again. Water is very important to all living things. A large part of our body is filled with water. Water is essential for our body to function properly. If you do not drink enough water, you will dehydrate and fall ill.
Why does my mother water her plants every day? Do plants need water to survive like us?
Yes, plants and animals are just like us. They are living things. They need water in order to survive. Without water, plants will wilt. Without water, animals like us will dehydrate.
Oh, now I know. Water is needed to sustain life.
Yes, but apart from maintaining life, water is also important for many of our daily activities. Can you name me a few activities that make use of water?
Let me see. Oh, I got it. I use water when I shower and when I help my mother wash the dishes.
Now, water is very precious. We have to learn to save water. We can do so by making use of a pail to wash a car instead of a hose, collecting rainwater to wash our corridors, and even gargle your mouth with a mug of water instead of letting the tap run. Now, Turbo Girl, we have already gone through the 3 different states of matter, haven't we?
Yes, we have. Matter can exist as solid, liquid, gas.
Good. Did you know that water can exist in all 3 states?
Huh? Really?
Yes, of course. Let us try out this experiment. First, place some ice into a beaker and boil it over a fire.
The ice is melting.
Yes, as soon as the melted ice starts boiling, what do you see?
Well, I see some white smoke.
Okay, let us go through the process again. First, ice is placed into a beaker. Ice is water in its solid state. Now, when the ice melts...
Oh, this I know. When ice melts, it becomes water. Water is in the liquid state.
Good! Now, when water starts to boil, white smoke is formed. The white smoke is actually tiny water droplets formed by steam. Steam is water in its gaseous state. Alright, now we know that water can exist in all 3 states of matter. But do you know what caused these changes?
I'm not too sure. But from the previous experiment, you have to heat ice in order for it to melt to become water. When water boils, it produces steam.
Heat is the cause of all these changes. When you heat your ice, the ice gains heat and starts to melt. It changes from a solid to a liquid. Now, when ice changes its state to liquid, it continues to gain heat till it boils. When water boils, it starts to produce steam. Steam is invisible. It is found in the spaces between the white smoke that you see and the spout of the beaker.
But what is the white smoke made of?
Well, as I have said, steam is water in its gaseous state. When steam starts to lose heat, it changes back to water. The white smoke you see is actually tiny water droplets in the air.
So, the different states of water go round in a cycle?
Well, yes, water changes into different states just by losing or gaining heat. Well, we have learnt about the different states of water and how each state is changed due to gaining and losing of heat. See you in the next lesson.